everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an OP farm. This will take many minutes, so I'm just going to show you, this is part 1 out of 5. So first, the materials you will need is nether brick fences, lots of them, hose. I'm just gonna use a stone hoe because that will give the best experience. And then you need some dirt, some spawn eggs of chickens, cows, pigs, and sheep. That's all you need for the mobs. Now, after that, we're not going to be done yet, but you need to find some sugar canes. But if you are in creative, just type in sugar cane or sugar. Then after that, go press, get a piston, not a sticky piston, some redstone, and some Archaea wood planks. So after that, you need the Archaea button, so no one can sneak up, and it's gonna be hard to find that button. Okay, now after that, add 10 nether brick fences to the left. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, more like this. And then connect the rectangle back to each other. And then spawn in 3 chickens, 3 cows, 3 pigs. Okay, you're not supposed to expect a baby animal. And 3 sheep. And then that's for your animal pen. And then you can get some buckets and then milk the cows, and then use the chickens for the egg. And that's not all. Make the rectangle the same, but this time all you just need to do is use that and then this. And then get some water buckets, so you don't need the chickens anymore. These are all of the materials you need left. Even the nether brick fences. We're not even done. And in Minecraft, don't think Minecraft is bad. It can spark your imagination, which means make your imagination more creative. That's how I got more creative. So now you need to find some seeds. If you are in survival mode, then you need to get some from the grasses in an infinite world. But it's gonna be hard to fit this and find all of these because it's gonna take a lot of stuff. So you best put it in there. And remember, Minecraft plants are kind of like real life. So they got some soil or nutrients. They're getting some sun. They're getting some air because Minecraft always has air. Because if you just slash, yeah. Wait, why is there a game test thing? What's game test? Oh, it interacts with a game test. Okay, so now you have to do the same rectangle making, and then, but you actually need more space for this. Remember that you need about this much space for the storage too. You might not have any chests, that much chests in your Minecraft, but it's actually easy. So now you need this. And then do this. And then this is the redstone, and you can see it light up. And also remember, Minecraft, your Minecraft sugarcane needs sand and water, like the plants, because they are plants. But remember, this farm is manual, so it works manually. And remember to add the water like this. Now, if you're getting thirsty while you're hearing the word water, just get some water. Otherwise, if you don't have water in your water bottle, just go refill it. And pause this video. Wow, this farm is really going out great. See, it works automatically. Wow, this Minecraft farm needs lots of stuff. And also repeat this step. And from far away, you cannot even see the button that way. But when you land, you can see the button. And you do not play with this farm because it's a hard-working project. Okay, now you just need more of this. See? And then the more sugar canes you collect, you need stairs to enter and exit too. But you need the enter right here. You need the entrance right here. And then hop in one of the farms. And then just and then you can just climb off and then enter another farm. But make sure you crouch, otherwise, and you can not hop in here. Otherwise, you need to go in creative to fly out because your Minecraft animals will climb up the stairs and then escape. No matter how long it is, their legs do not get tired. They're just so excited. And then get some chests. And then you got your farm, but it's not done yet. In episode 2, follow out for more content, and I will and you can transfer these animals to a barn, which we will make in 2 and 3 parts. Bye.